Hello students, welcome back to the online classes. We'll continue with the unit electricity. In the last class, we have studied about what is electricity, then various uses of electricity, then we have seen two types of electricity, that is static electricity and current electricity. What is electricity? Electricity is the presence or flow of charges. In that we have two types, that is static electricity and current electricity. Then what is current? Current is nothing but we can say it as electric current. What is electric current? Electric current is nothing but it is the flow of charges. Electric current is nothing but it is the flow of charges. Then we have studied about SI unit of electric current, that is SI unit of electric current is ampere. SI unit of electric current is ampere. We define electric current as the flow of charges, that is I equals Q by T. The current I equals Q by T, where I is the net charge, T is the time. We define current as the net charge which flows across any cross section of a conductor in time T. Then we define current I equals Q by T. Electric current is the rate of flow of electric charges. I equals what? Q by T. Then SI unit of Q is what? Coulomb. SI unit of net charge, that is Q is Coulomb. Then we have studied about a simple electric circuit. What is simple electric circuit? A continuous and closed path of an electric current is called as electric circuit. In the electric circuit, we have studied about switch, bulb and battery, and these are connected by wires. In the simple electric circuit, we have studied about switch, bulb, battery and wires, connecting wires. Now, what does a switch do? A switch makes or breaks the circuit, that is on and off. Now, what does the battery do? Battery provides the charges to flow or electric current to the bulb, which makes the bulb to glow. Wires are used to interconnect all these components. Then we have studied about the SI unit of electric current, that is ampere. We define 1 ampere as 1 coulomb divided by 1 second. That is the flow of 1 coulomb of charge per second. Then we have studied about conventional direction of electric current. What is conventional direction of electric current? That we take as positive to negative, that is flow of positive charges. The conventional direction of electric current is what? Plus to minus, that is flow of positive charges, but actually it is negative to positive. Actual flow is flow of negative charges. The conventional direction we take as flow of positive charges. Now we study about an interesting concept, electric potential and potential difference. Now, what is electric potential and potential difference? Students, we know what is electric current. Electric current is the flow of charges, that is flow of charges will constitute electric current. Now we have a question, what makes the electric charge to flow? Will the charge flow by themselves? Definitely the charges do not flow by themselves. Something makes the electric charges to flow. Now what makes the electric charges to flow? We have the question, What makes the electric charges to flow? Now, we'll know the answer for this question by studying the concept of electric potential and potential difference. Will the charges flow by themselves? Definitely, the charges do not flow by themselves. Then, what makes electric charges to flow? Consider an analogy. Consider water in a perfectly horizontal tube. Will the water flow out of the horizontal tube? Definitely no. Now, check this diagram. Water in a perfectly horizontal tube will not flow. Why? Because the water flows from higher level to the lower level, but if you see both the levels are same, that is if you consider the point A and B, that is it has same level. Point A and B are at same levels, therefore the water will not flow. Otherwise, A and B are at the same height, the water will not flow. Now, consider another analogy where if I raise the height of the point A, if I increase the level of point A, that means the water will start to flow out of this horizontal tube. Because of the difference in the level or difference in the height, the water will flow out of the horizontal tube, that is higher level to the lower level, that is A to B. What makes the water flow? Because of the Earth's gravitational force, the water will flow out of the tube because of the difference in the level. Now, in the same way, there should be some difference in level. That is, there should be some difference between 2 points such that the electric charges must flow. We call that as potential difference. The difference between 2 points such that it makes the charges to flow. In the same way, we call that as potential difference. Potential difference is created by battery. Earth's gravity does not have any role to play in potential difference, that is flow of charges. Battery provides the potential difference in the electric circuit, which makes the charges to flow from one point to the another point. Now we have understood, because of the potential difference between 2 points, the charges starts flowing from higher potential to the lower potential. Now, battery or 2 or more cells generates the potential difference across the terminals in a conductor of electric circuit. Now, potential difference makes the charges to flow in the conductor and produces electric current. Now, we got the answer for the question. Because of the potential difference, the electric charges flow in the conductor. Consider 2 points A and B. Now, we have a charge at A. Now, we need to move the charge from A to B, that is flow of charge from A to B, that is potential difference is defined as the amount of work done in moving a charge. That is, we have moved a charge from point A to B. So, in moving the charge from A to B, we have done some work. That is, work done by charge. Potential difference is the amount of work done in moving a charge from one point to another. we call that as potential difference. We define V equals W by Q. What is V? V is the potential difference, W is the work done, Q is the charge. Now, SI unit of potential difference is volt. SI unit of potential difference is volt, VOLT. What is potential difference? It is the amount of work done in moving a charge from one point to another point. We define that as potential difference. SI unit of potential difference is volt. Let me define potential difference again. Electric potential difference between 2 points is an electric circuit carrying current as the work done to move a charge from one point to another. Simply we can define potential difference is the amount of work done in moving a charge from one point to another point in a circuit carrying current. Therefore, potential difference equals work done in moving charge Q, that is potential difference equal work done divided by charge. Potential difference is denoted by V, work done by W, charge by Q. Therefore, V equals W by Q. Now, what is SI unit of potential difference? SI unit of potential difference is volt. SI unit of potential difference is volt, VOLT. We denote by capital V. Therefore, I define 1 volt as, if we define 1 volt, it is 1 joule of work done in moving 1 unit charge. V equals W by Q. W is, SI unit of W is, work done is joule, SI unit of Q is coulomb. Therefore, 1 volt is what? 1 volt equals 1 joule divided by 1 coulomb. It is the amount of work done moving a charge. That is, if 1 volt is defined as the moving a unit charge by doing 1 joule of work. 1 volt equals 1 joule per coulomb. One volt equals 1 joule by 1 coulomb. Therefore, we use a electrical instrument called as voltmeter to measure the potential difference between 2 points. What is voltmeter? Voltmeter is a electrical instrument which is used to measure the potential difference between 2 points. Always it is connected in parallel. Voltmeter is always connected in parallel, whereas ammeter is connected in series. Now, what is 1 volt? 1 volt is 1 joule by 1 coulomb. It is the amount of work done to move a charge of 1 coulomb from one point to another point. 1 joule is defined as the work done to move a charge of 1 coulomb from one point to another point is called as 1 volt. That is 1 joule per coulomb. Hopefully you have understood the concept of electric potential difference. Thank you for watching. If you find my videos are useful, subscribe our channel for more videos and notifications. Thank you again.